In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Amazon Prime Video account and buy subscription. 2025. First, open your preferred web browser and search for Amazon Prime Video. Click the official Prime Video website for your region. You'll know you're in the right place if you see the familiar Prime Video branding and country-specific pricing. Make sure you're on a secure connection and a modern browser so everything loads correctly. On the home page, look for the option to view plans. Choose the plan that fits your needs, typically monthly or annual. Pricing and benefits can vary by country, and there may be promotional trials. Take a moment to review what's included and the renewal terms so you know exactly what you're getting. Next, you'll be asked to enter your email address or mobile number. Use one you can access right now, since you'll need it for verification. If you already have an Amazon account, you'll use those details. If you're new, this will start the account setup process. Click Continue to proceed. The site will send a one-time security code to your email or phone. Enter that security code on the verification page. If it doesn't arrive right away, refresh your inbox, check spam or junk folders, and confirm that your phone has a signal. Codes expire quickly, so use it as soon as you receive it. Once you're verified, pick any movie or show on the Prime Video catalog. Clicking into a title helps trigger the subscription flow if you're not yet subscribed. You can usually preview trailers without a subscription if you'd like to explore first. When you see the option, select Watch with Prime. This indicates the title is included with the Prime membership in your region. Now click Start Prime Subscription. You'll see a summary of the plan and the recurring charge. Review it carefully so you know when billing begins and how often it renews. Enter your password to confirm your account. If you're new, you may be prompted to create a secure password. Keep it private and store it safely. Finally, enter your card details and click Done. Make sure the card number, expiration date, and security code are correct, and that the billing address matches what your bank has on file. Many regions accept major credit and debit cards. Alternative payment options vary by country. After submitting, you should see a confirmation page and receive an email receipt. Your subscription starts immediately, so you can begin watching right away. Remember, you can manage auto renewal and payment methods anytime in your account settings. Enjoy your shows and happy streaming.